Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is Dynalion 26 Mountain Electric Bike 350W Motor Removable 48V12.8 Samsung Battery 20 mph aluminum alloy frame with a maximum load capacity of 270 lbs UL certification and GCC certification. Comfortable riding. 26-inch electric city bike, low-profile aluminum alloy frame can be easily installed and removed, and a relaxed riding posture. Control. 7-speed transmission, Shimano can easily switch gears to maximize the riding experience in response to various roads. High-quality battery pack, 48V12.8 lithium battery pack, made of Samsung cells. The charging time is about 4-6 hours. It is detachable and can be charged at home or in the office. Performance. 26x 1.75 tires can provide a smooth driving experience. The 48V350W rear drive brushless motor allows you to drive 30 miles at a speed of 18.8 mph. It is powerful enough to easily climb uphill slopes of 25 degrees. Maintenance and after-sales service. 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, so you have no worries. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us. We will answer your questions as soon as possible. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.